Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the May 2014 BDJ box. Yay! It came last week. So I'm going to show you what's inside the box. So apparently BDJ box is their theme for this month is the summer Radiance. I already took out the card in what that's inside this box. So what's inside is the organic hair care set, dermal sheet mask, a pumpkin sleeping pack, some Godiva stuff, and Revlon Colorstay nail enamel. Woohoo! And some GC. So let's open up the box. I've already opened this one because I was super excited to get this. So here is what's inside the box. I hope you can see. I already took out this other Revlon nail polish or nail enamel. This is what I'm currently using right now. So there, let's start with the nail polish. So you'll get 2 nail polish. I got the color, here it is, the 040 Provence and 110 Marmalade. So that's that. Next we have the Godiva natural skincare set or natural Okay, the camera just died on me. So continuing on what I was saying. So you have here from OGX box 2 sachets of their penetrating oil. So you use this after your hair is towel dried. So that's that. And then you also I also got this 3 sets of this damage control or anti-breakage keratin oil, shampoo, and conditioner. So you have this one, 3 sets. Next, we have here is 6 of this. 6 sets of this renewing argan oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner. So I have here 6 of them, and that's it. So moving on to the next item. The last one I have here are the facial mask. I have aloe collagen essence mask and snail collagen essence mask. Apparently Korean brands, and I can't find the maker. So that's that. And I have here a bunch of GCs. I do nails, so I have a very bad nail. It's a free add-ons worth 300 for every IDN manicure and pedicure. Next is 50% or 50 peso off on all Lucido L variants. Next, yay! 100 off on Buy Fiesta. Yay. Sure, that's that. 50% off on the Dr. CRB Reshape Ultra Face and Body Contour. PAC Makeup Makeover. And this voucher entitles you to 1 Bell Underwire Custom Cleavage Dream Brushier from Avon. So I get a free bra. So apparently all this products here is to help you the glow in your skin. And since It's like their summer entry for all the ladies out there. It's that. Okay, and that concludes my video. Yay! So, ayan, wala nang laman yung box. Yeah! Meron dito something. So, thank you for watching. I hope I helped you in some way. Please, you can subscribe to BDJBox.com if you're interested in getting items such as this one. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.